Today's video, I want to tell and show how we prepare the boards that we will later nail to the walls in our house. Very often after buying boards in the store, when you open the pack, you see that they are not always quality. It happens. There are such bitches in them, there are such cracks. We are not satisfied with this quality. And now in the video we're going to fix that. The first thing we do is patch up all these cracks. And chips. But now that the putty on our boards has dried, we will sand it. Previously, we sanded the boards with manual sanding machines. But just recently, I had a grinding bench like this in my workshop, and I think it will make our work easier and make it much faster and easier and easier. This is the main advantage of this tank. That is, in addition to grinding, he also calibrates the part. Look at Usok. This is the shape, that is, they are bent from thin and no longer straight. As you can see, there is no gap. We finished banging. That's what we got. The quality is probably better than the factory one, and now we will cover all this.